Soft skills are an important tool in a learning problem solving. The problem is the operation of one side that prevents the other side from functioning. Soft skills are an important tool to learning solving problems. The problem may concern goals, ways to achieving goals, needs, or expectations. To improve your problem-solving skills, you need to be vigilant for the problems before it's too late. The ability to recognize the problematic situation early is very useful. This is possible based on the intuition that predicts the problem by alerting the individual. It arousing anxiety, negative thoughts, disappointment. The second thing is seeing a problem as something normal, because it happens to everyone all the time. This is something we don't think about while we're facing problem. Thinking that our problematic circumstances are something unique is a mistake. Treat problem as challenges, not threats. Rather than focusing on the negative aspects of the problem, help yourself to build your self-esteem and problem-solving competence. Increase the perception of self-control. Giving into emotions to reduce the level of problematic situation for here and now should be increased to improve the ability to solving the problem as a competence. These factors can influence decision-making and make the facilitator feel self-conscious, overwhelmed, and unable to cope with the difficult situation. So it's always dominate in the problematic situation. Gordon created the method that is necessary to go through following stages to solve the problem effectively. First, define the problem. So ask yourself, how do you define the problem? Second step is making the solution. What will be the best solution to the problem? What will be the benefit one side and the other? And the next step is evaluate the potential situation. Then decide which solution is the best. And the last one, implement it, the preferred solution. What side of the problem should do to make the solution work? Fortunately, we also develop styles of behavior in problem situation. It is competition, collaboration, avoidance, accommodating, and compromise. Competition consists in creating a win-lose situation. It takes advantage of competition. It uses power games to achieve your own goals. It's often used in the critical situation under time pressure. Sometimes also when the other side is sure that it's right. The cooperation consists in a doctrine and attitude conducive to solving problems, highlighting differences, exchange views for informations. It focuses on the finding, interrogating, solve of the problematic situation. The person sees problems and problems as a trace of strength. He focuses on finding, integrating solution and finding solution that will benefit everyone. It is often used in situations requiring findings the solution or when the requirements are too important to be compromised. Avoidance is the third element of solving the problems. It's an avoiding problem in hoping that they go away on their own. It's using slow procedures to quell the problem. The person also often to keeping a problem in a secret. If it often used when is the case is in little importance level, or when the problem itself is more important than solving it, or when there is a group of institution that can solve the problem better than the two sides of it. Accommodating consists to yielding obedience and submission, often used when it is found that the truth is on the other side, often used what is found of the truth on the other side, or when you understand that the issue of the problem is more important than the other part that takes part in the conflict, or when you want to minimize the consequences of the case. Compromise consists in negotiation, often used when goals are important for the other side. Training problem-solving skills in everyday activities is hard but possible. Problem-solving is a learning journey, should be followed by patience and enthusiasm. Training problem-solving skills should be done in the similar way to training the other skills. Every person has a dominant problem-solving orientation. However, this does not mean that the orientation cannot be changed or mixed or developed. It just requires work.